Greetings farmers, this is Owen Chirikure and welcome to my channel. Guys, I'm super excited. Today, I just want to talk about my new venture, rabbit farming. Those you are seeing on your screen, these are the rabbits. On this day, it was the official opening cage yedu yatakabva kuvaka. This is just a new journey. I've just upgraded. I started rabbit farming. I cannot say I started rabbit farming. I acquired a pair of rabbits early kutanga kwegore rinori and dzichiwanda pichana I faced to my challenges dzimwe dzichifa ayo ndo macages adzaigara, and there was a time when I realized that the space was becoming smaller, and at the same time I was now falling much more towards this project, and ndakatanga kuifarira zvisingaite because ndakatanga kuona mamwe maadvantages ekuchengeta marabbits over chickens. Not saying I was quitting chickens, but adding rabbit farming to my farming activities. These were the cages which I bought, some at $20, some at $10, just to have a few rabbits. So later on, when I realized that the space was becoming too small, so I have a neighbor, nema gum trees on the perimeter. So I approached him and asked if he was willing to sell some of the poles, and he agreed. You know, and I got those poles at $1.50 each. So I bought 6 poles. I had a crazy idea in my mind. You know, at first I wanted to build the rabbit cage myself. As you can see, I bought my measuring tape, my saw, and all other tools that I needed to start building this rabbit cage. I wanted to build something changachire a bit taller, like 2 meters by maybe 3 meters, so that I can have my compartments akawanda. Initially, I wanted to have a rabbit cage that has 2 decks, which means it will be able to carry more rabbits. On top, it was going to have maybe 6 rabbits, and below the bottom deck maybe was going to have at least 3 or 4 compartments. In the below deck I was planning kuti dominozoenda to vana. Then the top deck was supposed to be the maternity ward. So here, as you can see, apo ndaiwana tanga basa cutting the poles. I'd measured my 2 meters high. I ndoenda shansa sema for the structure. I can say do I find out a frame, but I didn't know exactly to just pedza say in my material. In my mind, I just wanted to start. This passion which was boiling inside of me, so I didn't know. Of course, I had googled some of the ideas and inspirations to get my rabbit cages over the internet, you know, to get my nice designs and stuff. But at that time I didn't have raw materials. Now later on ndakazosvika pandikaona kuti I was not going to do it by myself, and fortunately I managed to get some funding zvakabva zvandipa simba, and I was happy. I thank the Almighty. So later on I realized that there was someone who could do it better, so I hired someone, Koma Clever, from Watsomba. When I went to buy imwe timber yandikatenga pane imwe sawmill, I realized that there was someone who could do this job even better at the same time with a cheaper price. So ndakabva ndataura nawo Mukoma Clever, and he didn't hesitate. Akabva vatongouya kubasa. He came and I explained to him the idea yanga ndinayo, the vision and everything. Fortunately, I was happy. He managed to grasp the concept and the idea. So now the idea was now coming to fruition. Step 2, as you can see, I had only cut my poles up to 2 meters. Then when he came, Damu explained no, this is how we're going to do it. I'll start by making the frame on the ground. Then after that, we're going to lift it up. Then we join the pieces together. If I had started building the cage myself, I don't know what I could have created. This was even better, as you can see, the precision, the neatness. So we managed to start well on a great note, and everything went well on this day. So this is all for today. My name is Owen Chirikure. If you are here for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for supporting my channel. And I will be posting a lot of videos where we will be discussing, talking about farming. Mostly I'll be posting my videos, my projects, and the practicality. This is a hub whereby we are going to share information, to synergies, to connect with other farmers. Comment section, please feel free. Do not hesitate to comment, like, share. Until next time, it's a bye for now. Thank you.